Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to switch to incognito mode on Google Chrome using your phone. First, locate and tap on the Chrome icon on your home screen to open the Google Chrome app. Now we are on the welcome page. In the top right corner of the screen, tap the three-dot menu icon. Here you can see various options. From the menu, choose New Incognito tab. Now, a new incognito window will open with a dark background and a message confirming that you are in an incognito mode. You can now browse the web without your activity being saved to your device. However, remember that this mode doesn't make you invisible online completely. Your activity can still be visible to other websites, employers, or your internet service provider. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.